lo manso, humilde, sempre clapa aiuta un vez. Tu resnanco ti mestere, atención con la merece, formando parte de un país, aunque chiqui pero no escondí, cargando en un barco huracán, el corazón de la man Caribe. Qué gran país, tan oscuro, isla chiqui pero grande de nos corazón. Orgulloso nos tuta, y por llamarnos medio di corso. Orgulloso nos da, y porta io di corso. Corso ta duci tan bebon, patures nanco ta honre. Su naturaleza te admira ver, su belleza incomparable. Con su país bendiciona, por recurso natural, un vibración excepcional. Nos isla está fenomenal. Qué gran país, tan oscuro, isla chiqui pero grande de nos corazón. Orgulloso nos tuta, y por llamarnos medio di corso. Orgulloso nos da, y porta io di corso. Corso ta duci tan bebon, patures nanco ta honre. Su naturaleza te admira ver, su belleza incomparable. Corso país bendiciona, por recurso natural, con vibración excepcional. Nos isla está fenomenal. Qué gran país, el gran país, tan oscuro, isla chiqui pero grande de nos corazón. Corazón orgulloso nos tuta, y por llamarnos medio di corso. Orgulloso nos da, y porta io di corso.
Mitad amor, a mitad abundancia, mitad paz y también gozo y alegría. Agradecido y contento de ti en vida, mitad un fuente distribuidor de energía. Mitad sanación, restauración, tranquilidad y serenidad, mi naturaleza manifestando turcos, fascinando, no falta nada. Mitad divino creado de mi propia realidad, mitad turcos, mi turcos. Mitad divino da mi existencia, no tiene límite, mitad poder cargado de luz. Mitad divino, mitad eterno, mitad Dios. Mitad amor, a mitad abundancia, mitad paz y también gozo y alegría. Agradecido y contento de ti en vida, a bota fuente distribuido de energía. Mitad turcos, por turcos. Bota divino da boa existencia, no tiene límite. Agradecido y contento de ti en vida, a bota fuente distribuido de energía. A bota turcos, turcos. Bota divino da boa existencia, no tiene límite, mitad poder cargado de luz. Bota divino y eterno, bota Dios. Bota divino y eterno, bota Dios. molta abbondanza, abbota paz e também gozo e alegria. Agradecido e contento de ti vida, abbota fuente distribuidor de energia. Abbota turcos, por turcos, bota divino na boa existência, não tem limite, me dá poder, carregado de luz. Bota divino e eterno, bota Deus. Bota divino e eterno, bota Deus. Bota turcos.
Humana, la que nos hace, nos mostra, la que nos hace, nos corazón, a nos por alabar y adorarnos, Señor, Cristo Jesús. Cielo de mi corazón, cielo de mi corazón, cielo de mi corazón. Presencia dignos Dios taquina, cielo de mi corazón. Su reino también taquina, cielo de mi corazón. Santo Espíritu Santo también, cielo de mi corazón. Pese al sábado vos van a la vez, cielo de mi corazón. Oh, 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 cielo de mi corazón. Cielo de mi corazón, Él no vuelve back pa' buscarnos. Cielo de mi corazón, pero mientras tanto nos lo alabe. Cielo de mi corazón, cielo de mi corazón, cielo de mi corazón.
Universo abiturbou, sensação nova, agora se nos está sabe, nada mais não tá escondi. Corso aspetta, despiertas sintiéndote abatido y tu energía está baja, solo respiras y respira. Si tus problemas son demasiado para soportar, las situaciones parecen estar por todas partes, solo respira, sí, respira. El aliento de la vida es tuyo para tomar. Solo inhala y luego exhala y estarás listo para seguir. Solo respira. El aliento de la vida es el poder que te hará superar. Solo respira y verás por ti mismo que los milagros sucederán cada vez que elijamos respirar. Cuando las nubes de tormenta se reúnen en tu mente y no puedes encontrar tu camino, solo respira. Cuando el peso del mundo está sobre tus hombros y sientes que podrías quebrarte, solo respira, sí, respira. El aliento de la vida siempre está cerca. Solo toma un momento para encontrar tu calma. Deja ir el miedo. En el silencio de un solo aliento encontrarás la fuerza para enfrentar la prueba. Sujétate fuerte, no lo dejes ir. Siente la paz comenzar a fluir con cada inhalación. Deja que el valor se eleve, exhala, libera los suspiros pesados. Hay un poder profundo dentro. Solo respira y deja que comience la sanación. Solo respira. El aliento de la vida es el poder que te hará superar. Solo respira y verás por ti mismo que los milagros sucederán cada vez que elijamos respirar, respirar. Respira, respira, solo respira, sí, respira. Respira, respira. Solo respira, respira, solo respira, sí, respira. Respira, respira. Solo respira. Respira, respira, respira.
The time has come. Corso Aspirta. Curaçao has awakened. An awakening for mind, heart, and soul. Join us for a transformational weekend of spirituality and music. May 2nd and Saturday, May 3rd, for 2 unforgettable days of spiritual connection and inspiration at the luxurious WTC Curaçao Auditorium. Then on Sunday, May 4th, the celebration reaches its peak at Bracapodi May Amphitheater Curaçao in a live music concert featuring the island's best musicians and singers, performing new music by Coach Glenn and the IA Music Magic Library. Dive into profound insights and uplifting experiences as we explore the essence of spirituality. For tickets and info, visit corsuaspierta.com. Don't miss this unforgettable 3-day journey of inspiration, connection, and soul-stirring music. Awaken, inspire, celebrate.
Corso aspierta, corso aspierta, corso aspierta, corso aspierta.
Que cambio
nos tinveste un cambio.
en aire de un espíritu suspirando su quietud, demandando en lo cual que te enderechi di felicidad, armonía dentro do caos, dá-nos próprio amar.
Dá-nos próprio amar.
Prosperidade, provisão para unitude,
Proteção, igualdade e irmandade.
tudo isso aqui tá alcançável para nós. E se nos cambia, nos vês. Se nos cambia, nos vês.
Se nos cambia, nos vê. Nos cambia, nos vê.
Nos que dá melhor, yeah.
Se nos cambia, nos vê.
Nos que dá melhor.
Stop de cana, cabeça baao. Risa vista arriba, pabolo, gracinha. Mira lo que Cubo tá haciendo. Falso de brinca y wanta otra bao. Tá alegre, estoy viva, vida raw. Bonsa quando tá llora, pa gis logra lora. Pa tacando nos awi, shelo ng blau. Si. Tá abo comi, me se resisti. Pagkarsaw, no vai perdi. Tende bong que me di, no ta tempo pa ripiti. Pam prima wo assisti. Tai kinipi, ka ba adverti. Mal tempo que taleo foi mi. Karsaw da chiki, mami, sono porgi. Kundi que no so asi happy.
Se nos cambia, nos vê. Nos cambia, nos vê.
Dá melhor, nos que dá melhor, yeah. Dá melhor, nos que dá melhor.
Felizmente, bendição para Curaçao, Aruba, Bonaire, Isla Riba e todos nós miramos na Holanda e outra parte do mundo. Bem-vindo ao programa Curaçao Esperta, aberto domingo, dia 16 de março de 2025. I am excited about this program today because we have some very special guests. Ao nosso programa vai estar na inglês e papiamento sobre nós returning champions não, qual tá e orador não que vai tá isso não que vai papia durante o evento de dia 2 e 3 de maio próximo que lo concluir dia 4 de concerto. Me tá pedindo desculpa porque contigo comigo de lugar público, me tá de penthouse de Renaissance aqui na localidade de Starbucks, que me tem sonido, tem gente de background, que me desculpa por você, pero não também estroba-nos, ok? So we have some very special guests, as I just say in Papimento. This morning we have the champions that are going to teach us on the 2nd and the 3rd of May of this year, okay? So nós também temos momento placentero avementa. Prometo sempre que vou dizer, mas chega Curaçao back, me na Curaçao fora de viernes, anto mi 2 dias na comiti na Curaçao aqui tá milagroso, me tá enjoy to the max mi estadia aqui na Curaçao e tem preparação para o evento importante aqui. Ora como pula de avião, matou para 2 pessoas, uma pessoa de Aruba e jovem de Curaçao. O jovem tem 30 e pico anos, então de Aruba tem 50 e pico, a mim tem 60 e pico. Pero nossa conversação estava dando uma conversação ameno, arriba tópico netamente de lo qual que nós tratando aqui espiritual, especialmente com a pessoa como a topa de Aruba, qual está nós fazer connection mais bonito mesmo com o senhor Alexi, qual segundo está base do aqui programa agora aqui, tá uma pessoa que está lendo mais sobre book mesmo tem hope informação que me saca mais já hope mês de competição. So mas ensino vos, ora bota riba e journey aqui, bo spirit guides nang, ibo angle nang, ibo alma nang ku abay dilante dibo, si bo permitina na mesta guiabo pa botopa, e ene nang correcto, etc. etc. Ora ko nossa book, nos passagem, pabine kinang, mahaya stoel net na bentana. Anto bani mit Mr. Sinta Senhor Alexi, anto bani di Alexi e outro chamber Andrei, yeah. Anto nos intercambia lugar, so malaga Andrei vai sinta na bentana, sinta na aisle, no? A motivo yata mas fácil para me orbitar by toilet. Pero nós temos conversação ameno, por amigo Alexi, di Aruba, assieme a Shopping Mes DJ, anto ma pedi ele para pronto, join me de uma entrevista que me quer laghe também trece su knowledge que tem, o knowledge, mestre cavalheiro que tem dentro área espiritual. Dus queda pendiente para esse. Anto mi em termos estadia aqui na Corsauta, viaje mais bonito mesmo, mais bonito. Qual segundo dia na também nós também conversar, pero além nós também tem nos guests não e me queira evitar para 30, pero prometo que se lá nós põe o promo de evento, vai tomar lugar dia 2, 3 e 4
The time has come. Corso Aspirta. Curaçao has awakened. An awakening for mind, heart, and soul. Join us for a transformational weekend of spirituality and music. May 2nd and Saturday, May 3rd, for 2 unforgettable days of spiritual connection and inspiration at the luxurious WTC Curaçao Auditorium. Then on Sunday, May 4th, the celebration reaches its peak at Bracapodi May Amphitheater Curaçao in a live music concert featuring the island's best musicians and singers, performing new music by Coach Glenn and the IA Music Magic Library. Dive into profound insights and uplifting experiences as we explore the essence of spirituality. For tickets and info, visit corsuaspierta.com. Don't miss this unforgettable 3-day journey of inspiration, connection, and soul-stirring music. Awaken, inspire, celebrate.
I want to say welcome, Bombini, good morning, muy buenos días to all our guests this morning. Sunang feliz meinta pa isunang di isla namin tem Curaçao turende pa papamento numa antolaga otro nang papel ng lingwahe pa sino nos gana mas tanto tempo e aproveitar mas tanto de tempo. Okay? Dus today our program is going to be in both Papiamento and in English. We want to welcome, first of all, Rosita from Bonaire and Ariana Del Rio, all the way from California, my friend Angelo Leiden from Curaçao, Jeff Cleckley, and from the United States also, and Sharifa Yanga. Guys, welcome, Bombini.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Good morning.
Yeah.
Good morning.
Bonsimang.
So you guys can hear me well?
Bon dia.
Yes.
And here's the
So this morning we're going to have a simple conversation on what all of us are experiencing, heading towards the event. Okay, let's begin with Rosita. Vamos começar com Rosita. De Bonaire.
Bon dia, Turende. Bon dia, Glenn. Bon dia. Yeah, what I'm experiencing these days is a lot of stuff. You know, especially when now we're in a transition. Nos está transiting, nos está entrando em 5 dimensões caba. Turcos
Okay.
tabin ribanos. Turdia mitin hopikos, mitamira hopikos tapasando anto the truth is coming out, you know, and we can heal, we can even talking, we talk and things happen. Manera ora no está ding presente, ding award. Yeah, that's why I always say we have to think, we have to pensa, bonus, kung papapya, anto ora nos tapapya, nos papapya, fan the heart. Yes, because we say it and it happened. We manifest in an instant.
In an
So we
instant.
need, yeah, in an instant. That's why it's so important to be in the now. Nothing has to be automatically. Manera ora mita sali foi kas mahinta. The onlyest thing I can do is driving my car and say hi to everybody. As when I smile and when I say hi, I send energy out. Yeah, you never know who is on the other side and needed that energy and needed that vibration. So staying in the now is so important, as when we stay in the now we don't have time to make up karma. Yeah,
Yeah,
you're
yeah.
yeah, we don't have time to make think negative, as when we are in the now, our heart will work for us. And not only the heart, yeah, it will become, it is a becoming, it is a becoming, we manifest so quick these days. And yeah, tinaber tambe ku tempo no sta agora aqui drentando sete dimensão kaba, yeah,
Mhm.
no está compreender, yeah, como tem que explicar, it goes so fast, so fast. So if we cannot be in the now, the massa will take over.
Yeah,
Everything
yeah.
that goes around the universe and the massa of everybody's thinking will take over. It's so important, and we're not a victim. We have our God DNA. We can make and we can break. We make
Great.
only beautiful things and we break all cycles. You know,
Awesome.
so yeah. And
Beautiful.
or sí, ora no está denge award, no está viva un vida fantástico.
Will be great. We also have our brother Jeff Cleckley from the United States. What are your experience with the with what Rosita just said there about the ascensions that now we are on in the fifth dimension, going to the seventh.
Yes, I feel the spirit in my spirit, and I feel this awakening happening. There is a powerful element has that has overcome me in my life in the days since we've talked last. That my spirit is highly elevated. I only put out the good energy, and knowing that we are manifesting at a high rate at this point. Even in my own business and profession, I've seen my practice double in scope in the last couple of months. Um, Interviews that I have done in the past were re-aired, and I've gained thousands more people who want to spend time and understand this awakening, this power that we all have. And this is the time, and it is ripe for the awakening of millions and millions of people. There are new beings who are new souls who are being awakened as we speak, and they are looking for guidance. There are souls who have been walking this walk for a long time who want to go even deeper and further into their expansion of their knowledge base, their I have been with in talks and guiding people who you know who are renowned in this world as doctors and PhDs, but they want to understand deeper this spiritual element of life that we all have. I've seen many things happening just in these past few months, you know, that just like she said, putting out the positive energy. I am in tune with that positive energy and in tune with knowing that if I put out anything negative, the karma comes quickly. So only put out the positive, and man, it's exciting. I am so excited. I'm vibrating at a high level. I've spoken to my wife about it, and how I feel even more powerful than in the beginning of this walk when I discovered these powers. And life has just been amazing. I am so excited to get to Carousel. I've been studying Carousel. I've been studying the people. I want to come and just embrace your love and give the love of the universe to your island.
I love your excitement, Jeff. I really appreciate it.
Thank you.
One of my experience, especially those 2 days. One more time, I want to apologize for the sound because I'm in a public place. They give me the opportunity to be here. So one of my experience is that I'm feeling very strongly that my spirit guides and source are guiding me to be in a very quiet place as much as possible.
Yes.
I feel very strongly these 2 days that I am guided to be in a quiet place by myself, and I feel and I can feel and see how they are guiding me. I'm gonna tell you guys something. This morning, 6:30 in the morning, I was guided to come at a certain place, and I met with somebody that I'm sure one of the musicians that I had to invite to be part of this program, but he didn't want to answer my call, and I met him 6:30 this morning, and we met each other, and he was like scared because like he was saying, how could this be possible? And I asked him, why didn't you answer my call? He says to me, because I'm not interested in this type of things. But I showed him love because I know that there is a connection. But the fear is there. I'm not interested in this. You understand? So I feel very strongly, this is me personally, that spirit, my spirit guides are guiding me to trust completely in their guidance in this moment in my time, in my life, that I need complete surrender to their guidance. And that is what I am experiencing. So I want to bring in now Ariana and let her tell us what is going on with her during this time about everything that is happening. Good morning, my friend.
Good morning. It's
That's
very early
Good morning.
in California. I'm really receiving each and every person's frequencies from their voice, from their experience expressed. It's like I'm being activated.
Wow.
Everything that you just said about the spending more time alone, about the trust, about the synchronicities that are happening, all of those are very alive in my reality right now.
Yeah.
I have been going inward. The more I want to be out, the more I want to be in the world, the more I'm reminded that the world is in me. And there's plenty of things to do here. Trust me, they're like, you're going to this island that I was sharing with a friend. because I know of the island through Dianta, who's another speaker in the event. And we met online in 2021, and I was already doing grid work back then, and I already had my podcast back then. So I had this giant map on the wall in my home, and I had little pins in different places, like I'm gonna go here, or I'm gonna connect with somebody here to invite them on the podcast. And I had a little pin since around September or October of 2021 on Isla Curacao.
Yeah.
And I feel like, is this real, that this is finally, gonna happen? This is finally going to be what, like we say, in real life. In real life, this is the preparations are well underway. And like Jeff was saying, the focus on the positive energy, but more than just the positive energy, it's like the culmination of everything that we've been through, of everything that we've worked through, of everything that we've faced, not just the light, but many of us have truly faced the other side of that, the other side of the coin. The
Yes.
times that were difficult, the times that we fought spirit, the times that we fought our guides, or we fought our destiny, thinking we had control of every element of our life, and then we had to surrender. Not we were asked. It was like life just gave us that surrender. You're not going to like the next phase, but trust me, a few years down the line, which I feel is really now. I felt that in Jeff's words. I feel that in your words. It's now.
Yes, I love the way you put it. That's exactly what I am feeling, because I came back to Curacao on Friday, and I made some plans, but it seems that what I have planned was not working. But I wasn't let that situation make me upset. I decided to surrender, and as I surrender, things began to happen. That's the first day. But yesterday, it became more obvious. So I decided that I'm gonna just surrender, and as I surrender, I can see things begin to work out for my good. So I'm excited about that. So so let's hear now from our sister Sharifa. Sharifa, kita mo eksperyensya ultimamente. Nakano-escucha di Sharifa, our sister Sharifa.
Good morning, my beautiful people. I'm gonna switch in Papiamento just to bring another dimension to it, because I know most of Glenn's followers are from the island. And I think everything I'm gonna just put into Papiamento, everything that you guys said already. So I'm very sorry I'm gonna switch, but I know for sure, based on the frequency of my voice, that you guys would understand everything that I will be saying. Glenn, basta un placer. Me está preparando inmensamente para May. Tinkos ng asina bonita ta pasando, en verdad, manera Rosita avisa, anto ami mi página mi ta uzele pa mi literalmente skibi mi emosyon nang, anto e chef Rosita avisa mi asintiele asina bibu, meeting un conexión inmensamente bonita ku Corso, mirando e hecho ku mi descendiente nang ta arwako kay ketiyos nunca mino a laga mi país turko sempre mi ahasi akinanang so e conexión y e preparación de energía de isla aquí tabata un llamado na ami for di chipito for di nascimento. O chef masintiele vivo anto manera turene avisa eta bonita dipende experiencias nan di otro pa turbo seguido nan comprende that this is real. Ano ta algo no está inventando. Shifting dimension e anoche e mi curpa mistera calibra mi asinti un vibración bonita anto manera mo tabisa Glenn ora nos surrender laga spirit take over turcos tahabri panos. Kemen di mita espera di coração. Abo kuta un yudi corso kuta mirando e programa agora aqui of Mas Awero preparamos mês para mim tá de verdade welcome tour é bonita ainda não kuta bintu de outro país para você não quer kuta nós te único não kuta experienciando awakening de forma ng aqui se mais gente rond mundo anto kunan tambe por decidir de coração para uma decisão eta de começar a journey para mane Ariana também bisa diariamente nós kuta light worker nota turcosta luz e amor parte escura meta parte de J então vamos ser sa como ta confronte então não brinque que mandi how it means pure the heart. This is the place and the time is now.
Is now. Very good.
It is
Undi ekosku Ariana, because one of the things that Ariana said that I really felt it is that we are reaching a time that this thing about surrender is something that we have to do. So, what are you thinking about that, Angelo? No sé si Angelo dingo, okay? What mean Angelo?
Esta maneira, que pela oportunidade, sempre apreciar essa aqui, então tá, mas já mais comprometendo essa processo aqui com a começar, você está join boarding jet, e muito coisa faz maneira nós amigos na também, bisa colega na, compartilhar com, por exemplo, de mi caso.
No sin problema con vos sonido.
Sí, ¿no me pones aquí?
¿Qué más tiene problema con él?
Me te escucha interruption.
Sí, te interrupt.
Ok, mi te papi poco. ¿Sabes escuchar más mío?
No.
Esta botin crash dentro de você. Botin crash de você. ¿Vos usando un mic?
Sí, estoy usando un mic, pero tiene diferentes cosas. Comunicación,
sì, ora sta sonando distort, non sta ascoltando boh. Mi ho check che non sta bin back riba boh, Becky, ok? Non sta bin back un gis aqui riba boh. Esse aqui é o programa Corsair Aspierta, a riba já domingo dia 16 de março. Caminha nós conversando com algum de oradores que vai participar do evento. Me precisa algum pessoa para ter par que notei. Me quero desculpar-me mesmo para Laika Hilaska. Ela é uma operação chiquita semana passada, então a é curva lá não tiki toch griperig. Então pensei não portei diante da viagem, então Tatiana também está experienciando quebrante de saúde. De 3 dias estava pendiente para também estava pero nós temos pessoas aqui e mientras que o Angelo está suposto nós vai orato e promo de evento.
The time has come. Corsair Aspierta. Curaçao has awakened. An awakening for mind, heart, and soul. Join us for a transformational weekend of spirituality and music. May 2nd and Saturday, May 3rd, for 2 unforgettable days of spiritual connection and inspiration at the luxurious WTC Curaçao Auditorium. Then on Sunday, May 4th, the celebration reaches its peak at Bracapodi May Amphitheater Curaçao in a live music concert featuring the island's best musicians and singers, performing new music by Coach Glenn and the IA Music Magic Library. Dive into profound insights and uplifting experiences as we explore the essence of spirituality. For tickets and info, visit corsuaspierta.com. Don't miss this unforgettable 3-day journey of inspiration, connection, and soul-stirring music. Awaken, inspire, celebrate.
Sí, ¿usando entender?
Para ahora tu Angelo.
Holanda. Para mim é um privilégio para estar em Moçambique E para mim, assim, passang invitasyon para o evento Corsol Aspierta, kulo tuma lugar dia 2, 3 e 4 de maio. Para mim, é honor como eu forma parte de grupo kulo bini para servir abo. Kiko passang por verwacht ko ami lo 13. Ami lo corda boso ko abo tin esto. Abo tin pergunta di como anase, di tempo como anase, di como ikos na kita pasani. Kiko ta mi propósito de vida. Abo tin e contesta. Mi lo cordavo ko abo tin tu re contesta pero achis lubida. Pues la que nos topa na Corsol Aspierta.
Esse é like, também tem evento dia 2 e 3 de maio. Próximo, nós vamos overworking para Angelo, nós está aqui, mas estando o mic do mesmo.
Sim, você quer que sim?
Yes, agora sim.
Ok, então talvez aku tem tende tu nos colega ng papia eta resona mas tanto mes se kami tambe de sentido ku mais tópicos to passar de mi caso também tem mais tópicos que tem que atender com né não tá fácil até hasta ku por exemplo me tem gente ku tem que cerca de mi barrio a decidir de bailar a nós, a decidir de bailar a nós. Se a choque me passou a mim não provato a pessoa tá no ponto e para fazer decisão, pero está sua decisão. Esse é um aspecto, pero é costa que nós temos que maneira bastante pisa, nós temos que quedar presente, quedar trabalhando nos meses, anto que tra com nos meses, nós está Lucy, outro gente também está mirando isso, então outro gente também está mirando que hey, a pessoa está fazendo uma coisa, que vai estar interessado passar, o que está fazendo. Então, não tem uma abertura agora para invitar ele para o evento também, concerto, conferência, e é um processo contínuo. É botar su arriba, abaixo, subir para, pero tá botar como está sim, pode vai vir, então integrar isso para por si. Então, nunca não cave up. A sombra tem coisa não bonita, está vindo, não na caminha, a mim está mirando, se me está trazendo duro, fortemente de diferentes coisas, para estimular e poder realizar também. Muito pronto.
Ótimo. Me quero agradecer para a parte. At this moment, I want to let's elaborate a little bit on what the folks can expect on the days of the conference. Why do people has to come or has to decide to come to an event like this? Di kung namin sa escola para bing eventos niki. Kiko é coisa que por nificar para nós personalmente e para nós como país, de caso aqui Corsol. What is it that a conference like this will mean for them on an individual level and on the level of the whole island? Feel free. Assumo que começar primeiro. The one who wants to begin, just go ahead.
Bom, a mim por pensar que o Corsol tem processo de transformação, nós tudo caminha
Yes.
Então, tem gente que certa gente costa na nós de repente é uma surpresa, o constante cambiando, ou não está compreendendo o que está passando, que sei não. Então, tem gente que está mais consciente de maneira nosso grupo aqui, tem de nós, por exemplo, a mim também está foi chiquito, nós está base. Então, ela chegou um momento, o Corsol também tem fase de esquerda aí. Então, com nós está sigue o processo de esquerda de o seguinte nível na maneira Rosita visa 5D, 7D and so forth, evolução. Então, nós outro general também por vai me. Então, evento nota especial, mais especial mesmo, para bem encontrar outro general que também está o processo, ou que não está o processo. Então, intercambiar, BBC, no tem oradora, nera mês e colega não, então, que vou intercambiar com ele. Não tem uma apresentação, então foi de não, não tem matéria para poder intercambiar com ele. Nós está contínuo dentro do processo aí. Então, evento tem um ponto, um momento, hopi, bonita maneira, Glenn inquieta em outro. Então, com vou por fazer uso que sei para vou por desreabo mesmo também. A mim também, aunque me também com meu conhecimento, pero cada momento vou estar desreabo.
Sure. One of the things that is for our guests that are coming from the state, I have to know that I have to let you guys know that the island are in a state of anticipation because we are in the midst of election. We are in April. We're going on the election for the 4 years next government. So the whole island is in a certain expectation of what is going to happen. So, and when I get the inspiration to organize this event on May, I didn't realize that. So now that we are here, I understand that this event is very important for this moment in time on the island. Okay, so this is very important. Who else want to add why it is important for those that are listening and are looking at this program that this event will affect them in a positive way?
Glenn. Yes. Mitakere pamijis hack-in. Election is coming. It's like, I think it's next week in March.
Next week, yes.
Yes, it's in March. So exactly. Patur foral antiano, di turnos hermana isla ng Kutamirando. Si bota sinti un llamada, hopi nos tapone nos fate, nos destino, deng mang di turcos kuta exterior. Por ejemplo, keng tabay goberna. E país, ito lo cual ami sempre asinti i amak may foral ko at viva sempre akinang e país tabay kanya, juist e lo cual ko merece. Kaya algún ta de acuerdo con e o no, pero merece pa asina e abo como ser humano por lanta for the sonho. Nada simplemente te pa ron gente show rondo DJ, pero no significa que o futuro of bo destino padeng mang dentro bitur lo cual nang kuta exterior. Pues me te quiere evento aqui, evento que seguro, se te ainda bonotin seguro, llega na je pa sombrating algo energeticamente que lo por chef dembo e anoche e vibração lota assim alto. Então, eu vou começar a compreender que o mundo está interior, de padem. E conhecimento não aqui, me mesmo como uma pessoa que está quebra, que está bunang, que está papia, coisa não que para siglos nos a manter padem, o vergonha está você verá. Pois é a noite e me te querer, nós vai sentir back que está amor fraternal, amor para nos isla. Amor para o mês se voral, então laga pa ita comienzo para o seguir cana bo camina para so turene tinang camina único coisa que nós está fungi como tá guia, então manter espaço. A mim gusta usar storytelling para so ribo por relatar muito mais tanto na lo qual que quizás abota passa den, então duna tiki dimi conta e forma com ami a navegar o mundo e está navegando o mundo espiritual de Awe. Pois laga ku Awe tá dia ku orbo sanwak e film aqui, laga tur informação zak gewoon sink in, hindi pa bumes siya algo kulobo kita parte di je, si of no.
One of the things that I have noticed very much about you, Sharifa, un coisa que me gusta de uma show mes, and um coisa que me reconhecer quando me meeting. And the poco de, how many of you guys know Cristina Lopez? Is one of the person that I watch a lot. She's very good, and she is using a word that's template of change. She calls there are some light workers, some of us that are templates of change, meaning that we are here to begin something that is unusual,
Yes.
but that will bring change. And when I see Sharifa, I recognize her as a template of change because I'm the same person.
Yes.
You know, I always do things that people are afraid to do or are not accustomed to do. What can you say about that, Ariana? Can you elaborate a little bit more on that? Because you are something else when it comes to vibration.
Yes.
Well, we're in the year of change. The
Yep.
five, the number five. I know a lot of people talk about the 9, but I like to talk about the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Since COVID, we are in the 5 year. The
Yep.
5 is the energy of change. So if you're not with change, you're gonna struggle. You're gonna struggle more than somebody is willing to see what can I co-create with change. So when we were saying about surrender earlier, what I like to say also is we're co-creators in this. So there is creator,
Yeah.
and there's all of us here that are part of that creation, and also co-creating it. So it's like a trinity to me: creator, creation, co-creator. And on top of that, we have the serpent energy. We have the year of the snake. I literally am holding a little rose quartz
Yeah.
cobra while we're speaking, while we're really embodying this heart energy of God, and also of your island of Curacao. And I love change. Now, in the moment, I don't always love it, but in time, we see that every
Yeah.
change is for us. We're constantly fighting all the things that we think are not for us, but in the end, it's all for us. Nobody is really against us in this world. Even the challenges, even the people that we feel hurt by, even the way that we act to other people, like none of it in the end. Even an election, even the people that are going to rule over countries, and eventually we're going to get to a place where the people that are comfortable with change, are going to be inviting whole waves of countries, of communities, of people, humanity, that are going to carry change forward, so we can actually see governments that serve us, so we can actually see communities that focus on health, that focus on vitality, that focus on love, that focus on the whole, holistic experience of being a human, not just work until you die, or not just raise families, just have a bunch of kids.
Yeah.
We're coming back to a place of change brings wholeness, change brings expansion.
Very good. Very, very interesting. My brother Jeff, by the way, Angelo, Jeff have sent a personal message for you. Tirubista Ribaje. Okay, Jeff, what is your intake on? You have mentioned that lately, people of authority, science, are interesting very much in what you have to bring in the spiritual world. Can you elaborate a little bit more on that?
Yes. Just I've noticed in my own, I do life coaching and sessions, and I Zoom sessions, and I noticed that I'm getting more doctors,
Yes.
PhDs, signing up for one-on-one sessions with me, and these are people who are basically rooted in the science of life, the biology of life, and they see it only in science terms, but their spirits are awakening and they want to learn more about this spirituality. And even there was a chemist that I life coach, and even him, about the power in the food and things like that he never even associated with the chemical reactions that he saw in things, and things like that. What I've been seeing is there's an awakening even of the minds that these college educated minds that
Yeah.
only rely on their solid learning.
Very, 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 very interesting. That
Basically, that's what I meant when I.
ok. So, lo cual está pasando actualmente, que gente está lantando, pessoas não está despertando. Então, hope que você está watching program. Many of you that are watching this program are experiencing awakening. But some of you, because of not so much information, are fighting it.
Or constraint of time.
Yes.
Constraint of time, working and life and so forth. They are busy with that. So
Yeah, also because of that. Yeah. But the thing is, what I noticed that many people is feeling it, but because of lack of knowledge about it, they are fighting it. So, para emotivo nós temos programa aqui para ajudar a estar consciente com o qual você sente, não brinque. Invite por compreender, a se pergunta. Por exemplo, aqui não tem grupo de gente que você acercar, se você me está dança para compreender o que está passando. Sobre nós estamos vivendo, we are living in a time where things are happening even though we like it or not. So it is important to ask questions. Ask those that know. This is why we have this program. This is why we have this platform. This is why we are here. This is why we going to have this event. So to bring knowledge, information, and awareness of what you are experiencing. Okay? So it's very important. ¿Qué você pensa de esse, Rosita?
Sí, manera mabisa kaba, and at the time of change, just that Ariana said, we came back into this world to change. We choose to come back into this world. We choose to come back into a third dimension world, as ascension is taking place now. As soul fragments, we came back. And agora que ora nos adrentando e Aquarius Age, because we evolute. See? E evolution that wij nu nos está adrentando de ascension, nos está trece Gaia, no, Tara by Gaia. Então, dentro todo sentido, turco está cambia. Just what you said, never question it, we have to surrender. And we will meet a lot of stuff. We will meet a lot of people that will awaken. And because the time is now. The time is now. We came back for the so many time to bring Earth home. And with everything what's happening around us, people are awakening as it is time for that, as we are progressing in soul. And that is something I will talk about on the 2nd or the 3rd of May. our soul progression as we came in as a young soul of a child soul, but we need to progress as we are part of nature and as a collective, will go further down the road. Anto awar no studying Aquarius age ka ba? There's no studying 5 dimension ka ba? What we can do is guide them, guide everyone. Because
Yes.
manera ng tabisa, when the time is right, you will meet the master. You won't meet the master is in us. We are our own master. We need the surroundings of the ones that can give us the guidance, and we as light workers can do that. We need to respect everyone's decision and help them through, as we were also one time ago as them.
Yeah,
Comprende?
yeah.
So,
Yes.
Único que nos pahasita, guide them through, yudanan. So when we help them, we help ourselves. The only
Okay.
thing we can do is only progress in soul.
I have a question on that, but let's go to a promo video. Then I will ask that question to all of us that are here. Okay, one moment.
Jeff Cleckley, author of I Walk Amongst Gods, which entails my near-death experience. I'm inviting you to join me for a weekend of awakening. We will engage in discussions about my book. I will go into depth about my interactions with the Archangel Metatron and what it was like to stand in the presence of the Creator. I will also teach you the techniques that I was taught as I stood in the second heaven. So please join me for a wonderful weekend of discovery, connection, and enlightenment. I'll see you soon.
Esta aqui é o programa de Corsawa Spierta. Caminda com nós em conversação com nós spreker nan, que vai papel de evento aqui. Para nós é um prazer de ter cada de nós aqui sobre o schedule de druk dan de bezig te share com nós. Okay? And I love what Rosita just said, but I have a question. And this question go for whoever wants to answer this question. Because I used to be in church, and evangelism it is very important in church. And evangelizing means to go out and tell people about Jesus and about their sins, all of that. So you have to go to talk with as much people possible. But now that we are on this journey, how is the best way for us to let as many people know about this journey? One of the ways is the way we are doing it right now. This is for whosoever will. But what are your different guys' experience on how you go about to let as much people know about this journey? I want to begin with Rosita, because this question came after what you just said. Okay?
Being the example,
Yes.
living in the now, using the Trinity, we will see that they will come. Yeah, we are not looking for them because we have a magnetic field. In our thinking, in our acting, and our talking, yes, if we vibrate in a high, we keep our energy high and we vibrate that high, yes, they will mimic us and they will come toward us. I always let them come to me. I'm not looking for them. We can guide them through. We need to be there to guide them through and always be open for everything, and then you will see they will come to us. It is the examples we have to give, and living the truth and be genuine to ourselves. Because if we cannot be genuine to ourselves, we cannot be genuine to somebody else. And
That's true.
whatever happened, we can have a lot of things going on in our lives. As at this moment, I have a lot of things going on in my life personally, yes, but that I'm not a victim. I stay becoming in my bliss. And when I'm in my bliss, my magnetic field will send it out and it will attract. And when it attracts, the only thing I can do is guide. And
Yeah.
that way they will come.
Okay.
That is my
Like now, I have to say a lot of people are watching this program right now. I want to acknowledge some of them. Infelizmente, para Kip Sandra, Rutling Angel, Marta, Norina, Van Denter, Suzette Royer, Judira Slijger, Nosita, my lovely Jesus, Nosti Jovianka, Clarinda, Marwinsley, Albertus, Marilyn, Odulia. Nós temos também Ingrid Mercelina, Giovanni Meulens, nós temos Joel Leito, mevrouw Yeye Nesnai, nós temos também Shahaira Lovert, Jobela Valentin, Joel Leito, Tram Boezem, nós temos Miriam Olivia, Kamandi, a lot of people are following us right now. One of the ways is because many of us have some groups that are following us, so because of that, no. But I like your answer, Rosita. But one of the things, because I'm curioso, you said we have to use the Trinity. Help me.
No, mina attende bo. Je was even uitgevallen. No, bo kaya voor Kiko. What was
Okay,
your question?
you mentioned we have to use the Trinity. Can you elaborate what is the Trinity?
The Trinity is our thinking from the heart, talking, and our actions. We use that as a Trinity. Bosa e pensamento from the heart, e papiamento, e sentimento. And when we can bring those three along in one vibration, in one frequency, we manifest. When I teach meditation, I teach them also start thinking from the heart. Yes, speak it as a decree. Keep the emotion high on a good level, and you will manifest. And that is what we need to do. And we can go and tell the world about this, as before it was taboo. But now I'm teaching it in my classes. The Trinity is the one that will keep your chakras in balance. And also when our thinking, talking, and actions are in
alignment.
Alignment, see? But chakras automaticamente tading alignment. Anto isay tambe astral earth ding nos biofield, ding nos aura. Paso nos biofield tin e aura consisti de 7 layers, tambe e magnetic field, tambe e energy field. Anto nos biofield ta asina grande that it will sense out the vibration that you act. And how we think, how we talk, and how we act will give us back the other party. So why not attracting only good?
Yes.
Opi interessante. Jesus to back. Opi interessante.
Mi number ta Sharifa Yanga, bo coach di sanación, transformación y relación. E caminda pa sanación. Sanación, na final, não ta trata de drecha bomes, of não ta trata de busca método na novo, of conhecimento, pa complementar, of fix bomes. Sanación real, ta unificación de queda tranquil, relajar lo suficiente conectando back borroseia, pa asina bocorda de verdade quem botar. ipasina pa compreender que paz sempre tabata interno y questa que nunca bono a perder, solamente el aguardo lubida. Pasanasyong tumaluga, bumeser volve back na calma y pading realizar que sempre o tabata completo. Ibisando essa aqui, me quero invitar Unitur para dia 2 e 3 de maio aqui na tremendo evento na WTC Corsol Aspierta, qual culmina den bem de vibração alto na Bracaput Mei. Wak pa bono queda fo, men di compra bocarci, subiri link di corsoaspierta.com para parte di transformação.
I have to say, listening to these people talking and explaining those things, I am completely sure that this event is going to be charged with great knowledge, information, with people with a lot of wisdom. This is why I'm going to be sitting front row to listen to each and every one of them, because I don't want to miss a thing. So, mita invita tu rende ko tawaki programa aqui, não perde a oportunidade aqui. Nós temos na Corsol, que ta carregar com boa informação, que te ajuda nós, não somente personalmente, pero como isla. So, me quero vai over na Sharifa, para Sharifa elaborar um pouquinho mais sobre o qual que ela acaba de dizer e promo aqui para sobre amanhã. Hope interessante mesmo.
Well, Glenn, I will see only this part in English. I am beyond excited and honored to be meeting all of you guys, my dear colleagues. Rosita, I feel like you're like a part of my family.
Wow.
Likewise.
Yes, because tulo ko Rosita ta papiando mita ora mitende ko ti mas hende ko tabiba ebida aki. It's like we're doing good. We are doing good.
Yes.
Pues aqui ko ta pasa imita bay papiele na papiamento miedo kuta lo cual instituto nang lamentablemente mitin ko bise pero mita papia manera Rosita abisa. Mita persona I know the truth, I speak the truth, and I feel it. Instituto ng manera religión a inculcar miedo din nos hende nang. Anto juist energia aqui tas trobando hopi hende di tuma e passo pa liberação e paz interno. Don't get me wrong. Religión tan necesario paso constelação de mundo mester de guia, pero te llega caminho que abo mes como ser humano e como ser de energia, espírito tinco sinti como a llega bo max. Anto kiko ting después de esse lo qual como que invitar voral nos hende nang kuting masha hopi medo. Anto Rosita também avisa algo bonito. Na momento que ami como wisdom keeper, light worker, mi trabalho mi ako misawardo mas e mas bendicionar denje ta ora mi a aceitar quem me tá e mi verdade mi a alinhar mi mes mostrando mi autenticidade na mi hende nang ante bonita papiando nang idioma kultur lo qual ya ta existi e fonang mi pora vertale translated na nang idioma anto kumisa tiki como example. É lo qual explica, Glenn, template. Mi vida diariamente, sem importar quanto me passa adentro, ta plasma e ponang imita conta. Pasombra nota tu posta luz. Anto é bonita di é mundo aqui tá, ku ora bota alinhar, anto ku bota operando for di coração. E darkness tabira parte integral dibo. Anto ko boto bayri para kamina ting luz meseti escuridad pating kreasyon. Anto abota e kreasyon aki. Command fear no more people voral mihin en antur. Gewoon e fear ta juist e obstáculo ko ta bloqueando bo na bo verdad, na bo respuesta nang. nenhum gente não tem pabo, a única coisa que nós como coach tá assim, tá ter espaço para anto guiabo. Maneiro sita abisa e biofield, bo aura de lo que sempre nos salanta ta tende ta abo ta cree. Amita atrae e gente nang umester llega nami, minota sali busca, mita vibra lo cual ta viva de mí, anto es nang correcto lo llega. No me hasi no de vida aqui, nos abili na mundo, juist pa e forma ku de verdade, mas de nós ta viva, abo também sinta na casa experiencia. Tudo lo cual como está pasando adem, queremos nos também a passa adem, pero só que nós tem método diferente com nós adil com ele. Não tem nada, nenhuma emoção que porta a bona casting que nós não estava tating. Pero maneiro cita explica a verdade. Uma vez bo operado em dimensão de bo coração, a teoria botanya é alinhação. Anto turco está guardo de take care de je. Abo não tem que correr atrás de nada. Juist moet je trust, surrender, anto eta baibini.
Óbvio.
Yes.
Oh, people. Awesome.
De natureza, bota mira piscana anta zwerm. E princípio não for quando anta zwerm tá, sempre anda vai dilante, teniendo distancia, respetar for de outro e evitar obstáculos andando em caminho. Cada pisca arriba na curva. Nescos, é ser humano, abo, também pode funcionar assim do de quem respeito para outro, intercambiar, comunicar para evitar obstáculos, assim é, nos tour, junto, porque da vai dilante, tem uma organização, tem comunidade, e tour caminha com nós e abo também.
Meu nome é Angelo Leidens, eu ajuda, guia e facilita a organização para transicionar para poder uma organização optimal, óptimas maneiras também. E eu quero invitar vocês para a conferência de Corsol Aspieta, dia 2, 3 e 4 de maio de 2025.
Angelo, quão importante está para nós como comunidade trabalhar junto e quão importante é a parte espiritual aqui, que rol é a parte espiritual aqui tem com de Isaac.
Então é uma boa pergunta. Então começar com na inglês rato, Jeff. It might be that we are working with the same type of people because I'm very highly involved with a network of highly knowledgeable people, PhDs and so forth, and it's in a very crucial organization that bridges what traditional science and what we call new paradigm science. Yeah, and so we will talk about it. Glenn, lo que vata punta ta hopi cardinal pa sombra naturaleza ta guia para nós me servat naturaleza. O posso sentir ora de minha promissão bota mira piscana ta move assim para que tu rato mira que piscana ta faz. Me lobisa me dou recomendação bailanda. Você sei também está conectado com a natureza. Bailanda, anto wako é piscana, anta move. Wako nanta anda. Anto wako é harmonia, pode transmitir, é vibração que transmitir. Se nós tu também por agora te apuntar com maneira babisa que botar vai buscar gente, botar inclucana, botar dona na informação. Pero é tempo vira da maneira que na cotinho que era tráribo bom mês, maneira a Rosita também bisa, Sharifa também bisa, bota tráribo mês, sana bom mês, integrar e coisa não custa tanto bom e negativo, anto integrar esse, anto assim nem nós também tá Lucy, anto Lucy tá atrai, maneira a Rosita com Sharifa também bisa, e agora bem hecho mira cada pisca arriba na curva, então cada pisca não te viola o território e espaço personal de outro, pero não te move de uma harmonia incrível
teniendo cuenta que disturbio ng kutin ng camino, aspecto de outra piscana que também está curva de comer.
Yeah.
Isa pone hopi dia na lenga de nos terra aqui na mas bango, bota mira piscana chiquita mas bango na, ando bota mira orca nang dolphin nang tu tribo nang aste para nang kuda bula bim come pisca come mas bango pero nanta o sea tu recose tá hiba harmonia tramente junto tá hiba balança não sei se resiliência agora na minha duas coisas clave tá com cada de nós o vai larga nós e resiliência também esta vira sua cada de nós vira menos tá tem que ser então se cada de nós se nós trabalho de conhecer nós mesmos para dentro e por ajudar colaborar com outro mais tanto nós assim mais é resiliência está sua.
Yes. Hope interessante. Então, esse é coisa que o Angelo também trata dia 12 e 3 de mês próximo, caminha nós por sim, aqui que te costa que nós quase energeticamente, para nós por contra junto mais melhor e assim logra muito mais melhor resultado. Tá uma experiência que me está experienciando mais bom mês com ora cubo por join energia junto com outro ende, então que sei por unificar. Sei um coisa que a mim me experiencia. Tem assim tanto coisa que me que conta você vai passar comigo em 2 dias aí que me tá assina para me conta pero me está claro para me contar. But it's beautiful. It's awesome. It's something mais bonita. What I am personally experiencing is beautiful. It's so beautiful, and in a way, I have to say it's so awesome. Kumita kita asombra, yeah. So, Mikira Baya, I want to go over to my sister Ariana. Mi hermana Ariana. What I want you to invite the people of Curacao, Bonaire, Aruba that are watching this program, telling them why it is important for them to be in this this important event.
I was slowing down while some of the conversation has been in papiamento. So I was just going inside and I had my eyes closed and I was just feeling really deeply into the word that came through. Bravery.
Mm-hmm.
That's the invitation right now. Imagine and actually think and feel into somebody that you would consider brave. Sometimes it's people we know, sometimes it's people from stories, mythology, history, maybe films, books. But I want you to put yourself as a candidate for bravery, for being remembered for your bravery. So imagine your descendants way in the future, or people that will know about you, or people that will just feel that you existed at some point on this planet.
Yeah.
You are in that position of bravery. That's why you're being invited to this particular event, because it's time for us to put ourselves in the lead character, the lead role of our own movie, of our own story, and live it out. Be braver, think braver, act braver, open your heart bigger than you've ever opened it before, because that's where the miracles come in. That's where the connections, the synchronicities, the blessings, and the expansion comes in. It's not when we keep our heart protected, forever guarded, forever in fear. A lot of people have been using the word fear, describing why the awakening can be difficult, because there is fear. And so I want to offer a mudra, which is a position of the hand like this. And this mudra is the mudra of fearlessness. So you'll see many Buddhas with this hand position. You'll also see Mother Mary all over Europe, Black Madonna. Ancient times, she had this position instead of prayer position.
Yes.
Because this meant fear not.
Yeah. Interesting. Esse aqui é o programa Corsão Aspierta. Obviamente, nós estamos conversando com algum de spreker e orador que lo vai fazer durante o evento Corsão Aspierta.
Conta, meu nome é Tatiana Phoenix e amo to onze main speakers lang na evento Corsão Aspierta. Durante o evento aqui, amo lo papia tocante di tema Misterio na nossa alma. Com o universo te guia nós na coisa mais grande papiando é idioma de nossa alma. Pa abo, com mais tempo tá cá na rond, com diferentes perguntas na maneira que tá bo propósito. Kiko tem motivo para qual botar o mundo aqui me que invita abo dia 2 e 3 de maio próximo na WTC e nós lo culminar com concerto na Bracaput Mei dia 4 de maio. Gostamos que você encarte door de registrar na website corsauaspierta.com and me tawar você tour ayan.
First annual local and international spiritual conference, where spiritual seekers and leaders from across the globe come together in unity. This historic gathering is a journey of awakening, personal growth, and global connection. Over 2 transformative days, you'll engage with thought-provoking speakers, enlightening workshops, and sacred practices designed to elevate your spirit and enrich your mind. Whether you're a seasoned spiritual practitioner or just beginning your path, this event promises to provide deep insights, lasting peace, and a renewed sense of purpose. Join us as we come together to ignite a new chapter of spiritual evolution. Join us where for the first time, we will be celebrating a spiritual conference entitled Corsu Aspirte, Friday, May 2nd, and Saturday, May 3rd at the luxurious WTC Curaçao Auditorium. Dive into profound insights and uplifting experiences as we explore the essence of spirituality. And on Sunday, May 4th, live concert extravaganza. Bracaput Mei Amphitheater, Curaçao. Celebrate with the island's finest musicians and singers performing brand new music from Coach Glenn and the IA Music Magic Library. Don't miss this unforgettable 3-day journey of inspiration, connection, and soul-stirring music. Save the date and stay tuned for more.
Wonderful people, I want you to know that I am very excited. I'm excited for what I don't know what is going to happen. But I'm excited because I can feel what is going to happen already. I'm excited because I'm going to meet you guys. Some of you I'm going to meet for the very first time personally. I'm excited about what this event is going to do in our region. I'm excited about the unknown. I'm excited about the mystery behind what this thing is going to be. I'm incredibly excited. And I want to know what is your excitement about you coming over to participate in this event. That was a question, by the way.
Oh my God, no, Glenn, me te kere, si bohin na nango te based of all no sa wara ki atrobe, this is a vibrational thing. Nothing otra forma, nos no porta ganhando bos nang, it just is. It's like the lifestyle, anto queremi, si botas sintiendo deep de ser cualquier emoción que está lantando as we speak. Kung tendiendo nos papia ser bobo, anto puntra bomeski kota emoción que botas sintiendo, no dune un number. O sea, si vos vais dune un number, porque place como paz, miedo. Just feel,
Just go with the feeling.
just feel, anto laga e feeling e guide bo pabo compra boteca. That's it. Si bo nota sinti nada, evento aqui nota pabo. Pero si ting emoção, atrobe no do ne number, que bota sentindo na e momento na aqui, depois que bo atende cada de e speak.
Pega.
So I'm so excited to be share istorya ng kubos ng kos ng bonita di nos país, nos isla, kubos ng portano tabatasa kami na kubo alubidabo poder anto edikombo anase of skohe pabiba yaistre barangka aki, and I'm so excited to show all of your guest speakers around Curacao what does it feel to live on this beautiful island, because it is a healing place.
Yes. So that's one of the things that we're going to do, Jeff. We're going to make sure you guys enjoy your stay here in Curacao for sure. You and Ariana.
Yes.
Yes.
Tell us about why you are so excited, my friend.
Oh man,
Jeff, my brother from another
this
mother.
is my brother. Yes, this is my brother. I am so excited. I want you to know that I eat, sleep, and drink Carousel. YouTube, thank you, YouTube, because I wake up in the morning and I study something about Carousel all day long. If I'm not in an appointment, if I'm not doing anything, I am studying Carousel, the people, the food, the language, the love that comes off of this island, and I am so excited. And here, it's divinely guided for me. One, my birthday's the 1st of May. My anniversary's the 2nd of May.
Wow.
And my wife's birthday is the 8th of May. So we'll be there. I don't know what the reservations are going to be like, but we're staying even an extra few days, and we're going to pay for it, however that works out. And I just can't wait to get there every morning. Like right now, if I could turn this camera around, you would see my big screen on muted, showing people walking through Curacao. I'm learning your island as much as I can. I mean, I'm deep diving into the people, the culture. I'm learning the food. I'm learning the history of the food. I understand that food can teach you a lot about a culture. And so I'm learning where your food come from, where the people come from, and the diversity of it, and the love that is on this island. I am so excited to come and be a part of that and to share my love with you.
There's a saying that goes like this: coincidence is God's way of staying anonymous. Anonymous, no? Coincidencia da Dios su manera para quedar anónimo. What a coincidence that your birthday is on the 1st and your anniversary is on the 2nd and your wife's name is on the 9th of May. Boy, coincidencia. Wow.
I only believe in divine, it's divinely guided, the
Yes,
coincidences are divinely guided. And Coach Glenn, I am honored, and I thank you from deeply within for inviting me to come. Thank you.
Thank you, my brother. Before I go over to Ariana to speak about her excitement, I have to say, while I was talking to the friend that I met my new friend that I met on the airplane, and the flight was 10 hours from Amsterdam to Curacao, 10 hours. So we had 10 hours to talk about a lot of things. And one of the story that he told me that was his father, after being 25 years a devoted Christian, he had a heart attack. And after that heart attack, he decided he was done with the church, because he had a new experience during his heart attack. And his father passed away the same day he was born, the same hour and time that he was born. That was, that meant something. I know that Ariana can explain something about that. So his father passed away the same day he was born, the same time he was born. You understand? So these things have very deep significance.
Yes.
Of no, Ariana.
Put me on the spot. I mean,
Yeah, I know.
I love working with synchronicity and symbols actually. So I'm wearing the serpent, cobra, and the dragonflies today. So with numbers, with symbols, these are just the colors, even light, sound. These are ways that these are ways that God reaches us. It's communication. But every event is relevant to us. It's personal. So what I would say about that might not be what it actually means to that person, but it definitely shows a strong link. It definitely shows connection between these two very powerful souls. How could it not, father and son? And for you to witness, and I love when people open their heart like that and just put everything, into the lap of a stranger, or but feel comfortable enough with us, who hold space in that way. It's beautiful. But I'd like to also jump on why I'm excited to come. Mainly, I feel that is really about weaving, really about tejido,
Kose. We say meant to kose.
Connections for the future, connections from the past, connections right now. So the places, the people, the foods, it's so important to me. The waters, the crystals that I'm going to bring that are from California.
Oh my God.
With my own hands, on these beautiful sites that are special to me, history in these lands, all the way from Mount Shasta down to the very south of, I believe, Central or South America. So there's major obsidian line, and I believe that wants to be linked with us. So I'm bringing lots of gifts, and I'm bringing my open heart and my curiosity. Like, you're curious, I'm curious. I want to be in it. I want to be immersed and meet and connect and lead.
Beautiful. One of the people that are going to speak is Nikita Heller.
My name is Nikita Heller. I'm a wealth embodiment architect, and I'm here to talk about money. Because we, conscious creator, energy workers, legends, want to grow our communities. We want to grow and elevate us, ourselves. So to do that, we need to upgrade our inner economy so we can see outer wealth. Come and join us, unlock your wealth codes. Join us 2nd, 3rd and 4th of May. The first 2 days are at the WTC. Have amazing speakers that give you the wisdom that you need. The 4th of May, we're gonna have an amazing concert at Brakkeput Mijmei. Get your tickets now, you don't wanna miss out.
You don't want to miss out. Corda visita corsauaspierta.com, where you can order your ticket now. Corda ku turene ku compra ng 2 dias lang, dia 2 e 3. Botahan é concerto completamente grátis. When you buy your ticket for the 2nd and the 3rd for the conference, your concert entry will be free. And I'm gonna tell all you guys, bring your dancing shoes, because we're gonna dance in this concert. It's gonna be a huge celebration, powerful. So no joke. Before we leave, I want to give the word to Rosita from Bonaire about her excitement coming to this event. Rosita.
See, I'm so excited. I'm always excited. I'm always excited in all events. Like, when the lady sent me the message um, in November about the invitation, it was just 2 weeks ago. Before that, I spoke to my husband, and we were laying down on the bed watching TV, watching a podcast. And as I'm also teaching classes about energy healing and ancient wisdom for like since 2014, I told him, like, you know what? It would be nice to be in a podcast like that. And he was like, oh, yeah, okay, don't you worry. I'll call those people in the States so maybe they can call you up. He made a joke out of it.
Yeah.
And I was in Curacao having the workshop. I had a level 1 and 2 workshop, and I got a message from Angel. And I was like, I'm never looking at my phone when I'm doing a workshop. I opened it up and said, what is this? And I was like, flabbergasted. It was only a week or two ago when I said that to my husband. And then all of a sudden, I got this invitation. I was like, whoa, this thing is marvelous. So since then, okay, I have a wellness spa here in Bonaire. So I told everybody that came in. And at that moment, when I was in the workshop, telling all my pupils, look what's happening, and I didn't even call Angel yet to tell her it is okay, but I was like,
confirm.
whoa, to confirm. And the next day I sent her a message, and when I came home, I told my hubby, guess what, and I showed him the message, and he was like, okay, I know, you're so excited. And since that day until today, coming to Curacao is always wonderful. As you know, Bonaire is a small island, 22,000 or 25,000 people, but it's always a challenge over here, but it's beautiful. But Curacao is also an island I love. As before I came to Bonaire, Curacao was the first island I know, as I have a sister over there in Curacao living there, and un rumah criança. And Bonaire was the second island. That was 33 years ago. So it's always nice to be in Curacao. And you guys will see me soon. As we spoke yesterday, I will be there in 2 weeks time thinking. I need to think, check it out with the flights. So I think in 2 weeks time or 3 weeks time, I will be there.
Okay. So you
Excited.
guys, this is what you can expect on the 2nd, 3rd, and 4th of May. Essa aqui tá a website de evento. Você vai arriba a website. Já botar toda a informação. Como este, aqui não tem um vídeo. Qual está dando a informação de evento. Já. Do passador de dia. Aqui não tem a tour. Explica na esse máquina de pôr o vídeo não como passa. Essa aqui não é músico não que vai participar. Tem evento, é cantante não. Aqui não está aí, bota clique aqui riba, e tem babo na informação de WTC, aqui não de Bracapoti Mimei, então aqui não está mira a ticket não, yeah. So everything is here, Tur informação tá aqui não, just join, como por ticket, bota vai na WhatsApp, kami não está aí informação, então nós está reservar o ticket não, botar se pago, então botar vai tomar não. Dus o tempo chega, a hora chega, we want to thank you. I want to thank you, all of you. We have become real family in those 3 months that we are together in the same vibration, working towards this upcoming historic event. I want to thank each and every one of you, and I'm excited to meet you guys in person. Meeting ko bisa tami ko ay Camelia tami mister takinan pero mamanda il link Rubes may mamanda il link di Facebook. Mamanda il link di Facebook pe. Dus we say e non for the day di antes sino ta portei pa motivo ko ta preparava viaje laica Shilaska. Your mamo é chiquito também tá baita parte de programa aqui, pero é tem quebrante de saúde, Tatiana também, Anto Nikita também, Nikita Heller também tá baita parte de plataforma aqui. Mita sentiu più forte, mita più specifico, mita sentiu più forte de me guia espiritual que tem um ano mais que tem que participar aqui não, pero mita base tá fulewak que tá não tá guiando chef não. Dus se so de mita bastante essa, okay? One more time, I want to thank Rosita from Bonaire, Angelo Leidens from Curacao, my friend Jeff Gleckley from the US, Sharifa Yanga from Curacao, and Ariana Del Rio. I want you guys to know that I love you guys. I've learned to love you guys in a very special way. I am very appreciative of your excitement, of your involvement, of your wanting to be part of this. I'm very glad. You guys makes me feel like we are family. Ora que nós estava back de nosso programa The Great Awakening. Turcos bom, e nós que despedir. Anybody wants to say something before we leave? Anybody?
Just that we love you and we're waiting for you. We're waiting for you to come to this event. We're preparing, we're waiting with open arms and open hearts, and can't wait. That's all. What happened to Glenn?
It might have disappeared.
Yeah, something happened.
Yeah, he muted. Well, anyone else?
Life-changing. This is going to be a life-changing event for those who show up. I will guarantee it will change your life. This will change your life if you are interested in awakening, if you have awakened, if you are newly awakened, or if you've been doing this for years. This will change your life. When you get this much love and power in one room, only great things will happen. I'm seeing only great things happening.
Yes. Sharifa.
Oh my God, no, I think miti kere mapapya asina tanto ilo misigi papya because the breath that God gave me is for this. This is a calling and it's a lifestyle. Miti siguro po evento akita bay bira uno ku Corsao y no solamente Corsao, nos otro hermana islan tame lo que da corda anto e vibración ko na lo recibi e dia e lo baita asina bonita ku miti siguro Glenn na meslo pidi pa mas.
Angelo.
Yeah, kini po bisa mas. Miti yung poesia ko compartir ko no se nana Corsao.
Shoot, my friend. Shoot.
Okay. Kita shoot it. Creador avisa que esconde algo por de gente pena hora punanta clave. Isa kita e realização kunang ta crea na mes realidade. Kini avisa Lunamie nomi hibe luna. Creador avisa no. Un dia na lo vai e ilohanye. Mulan ta lamang avisa lomi dere den fondo di lamang. Creador avisa no. Na lo vai e tambe. Cabrito di mondi avisa lomi dere de mondi na seru grandi. Criadora visa. Nan lo busqué y también y lo hanye nan. Mama abuela, puta viva den techo de mama terra y no tiene huevo físico, pero también huevo espiritual, avisa. Pone de na mes. Creadora visa. Clata.
Exactamente.
Yes. Clata. Okay.
Por costa dembo. Tawo tingo decidir para biyan wo. Nosta clapa wo.
Yeah. Okay, mensen. Mas opinião de mês tem aqui programa aqui. So nós queremos invitamos a tour para comprar um ticket na Antillas nós temos nós estamos a com a última hora, então depois nós na carreira, ok? Dus busca o ticket trempan corda aproveitar de hecha como põe o ticket para o concerto completamente grátis. Ora vou comprar tudo e 2 a noite na sábado, ok? Pesan itu nota teman aku minum ke despedi, pero tiga despedi. Hey, thank you guys. I love you. Jeff and Ariana. I will get in contact with you guys for something very interesting. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, man. Santo Cosbo. Um prazer.
Love you all.
Servimos com carinho e hope amor e nós queremos ser a começar a volta hora para nos balha. Da hora para nos balha. Mickey está contento.
E voilà la chose. Mickey está contento. Se muore que não me serve. Contento. Riba me serve. Sucuesa, ritmesa, balancesa. Atenção. Música moeda, música lá. Dis-moi là. En position. Tout le comme ça. Comme ça. Música moeda, música lá. Dis-moi là. Guarda bocuta, piles de vida. Tengo tá rico, pero não a cuida. Tengo os placa no compra, saúde e não tá coiunda. Norte, tá uma bem, bate na curva de mania. Gersa não tá contente, ora vega vai não tem medo. Não gasta não tempo, felicidade por nada. Usando fé como arma, nem de jogar vida. Pidi eu sou mirar. On my way. You know I ainda, but I believe que o destino junto cerca. E não tem buraco para me bendição não chega. Gotta keep moving com fé e com segurança. Me tá on my way, me tá on my way. Oh, 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 oh. Me tá on my way, me tá on my way. Oh, 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 oh. Me tá on
camino tan largo. Acá sigue pop y per esperanza. Brava mi crece de tus circunstancias. The struggle ma descubrí mi abundancia. Mita on my way, mita on my way. Oh, 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 oh. Mita on my way, mita on my way. Oh, 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 oh. Mita on my way. Sin duda, me dejo aquí llave. Mi alma te trae fe aquí llave. Fama no te con legacy te juega. Inspire the mission, a botar target. Esa quita presión con meta. Es un puta hambra pa' llegar. No valo de momento aquí. No valo de momento aquí. Logo logra si bon start on. No duro la costa by phone. Logo logra G stand up fit. But on your way, on your way. Logo logra si bon start on. No duro la costa by phone. Logo logra G stand up fit. But on your way, on your way. Mi no llega ainda. But I believe que el destino te cerca. Mi no tiempo paso, mi bendición no llega. Gotta keep moving con fe y con seguridad. Mita on my way, mita on my way. Oh, 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 oh. Mita on my. Oh, 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 oh. Sergio, take it over, come on, man. Okay, Porter, canta conmigo. Oh, 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 oh. Mita on my way, mita on my way. Oh, 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 oh. Mita on my way, mita on my way. Oh, 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 oh. Umbia más, come on. Oh, 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 mitad. Come on, un más. Oh, 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 mitad. Do ce soir. Oh, 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 oh. Are you guys ready for a party? Are you guys ready for a party? Canta conmigo. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, oh, mita on my way. Mita on my way. Mita on my